Group 2 to please come forward and share their learning experience. The participants are Dr. Srinath MS, Dr. S.V. Ranganayakulu, Dr. Krishna Kumar Nair, Dr. Pavan Kumar Patnaik, Dr. Anandrao Bajirao Kakade.
Respected dignitaries on the dais and off the dais, and we are group 2 participants. And before explain of the project, I should thank all the speakers, resource persons who made us to do the skillful work. To state the names, it will be a big list. And the origin of the problem is LED 3D illusion LED lamp. And our one of the co-coordinator posted 4 problems in the FDP group. We have chosen this problem out of 4. This is the origin of the problem selected by us. And here, whatever we have learned during this weekdays FDP program, we applied all these skills for fabrication of this project. And we 4 members meticulously planned and segregated the work among us for development of fabrication of this project. First, we fabricated the PCB design, which we already learned. After fabrication of the PCB design, we have chosen the electronic peripherals. With this electronic peripherals, we embedded all the peripherals into the PCB. We tested it, and after successful test and trial, we went for carving of the mechanical section, and after that we went for mounting, and the project is successfully executed. The beauty of the project is here, the problem posted by the coordinator is 3D illumination, 3D illusion LED lamp. So here, using the surface mount LEDs, then whichever we engraved on the acrylate plate is appearing as in 3D face. That is the innovation, what we observed. And coming to the technology, we have chosen whatever the least possible electronic peripherals required, we have chosen. And we applied all the skills, CNC, wood router, laser engraving, PCB design, and 3D printing machine, everything. So everything, we came here with empty hands. Now we are on the dais with product. Yes, that is FDP. That is FDP. Okay, so we came here with empty hands. Everything is provided by the institute in the form of knowledge only. Materials we selected, and electronic peripherals, whatever we want, that is provided by the institute, and skill is provided by the staff who is in the front row, and they give much knowledge to us. Actually, I am electronics background. Sir is MS Srinath. He is from mechanical engineering background. Sir is Dr. B.K. Kakade. He is from electronics background. One more gentleman taken permission after completion of the project. His name is P.K. Patnaik. He is computer science background. So we are dissimilar backgrounds. Okay, one have one expertise, other one is other expertise. So, but now everyone, each one is having capability of fabrication of the project. That may be electronic version or mechanical version of it. I already told it is a big list. PCB design, you see that Dr. Vibhuti sir helped a lot. Very easily explained. I attended many workshops. They confused me a lot. But within the simplest way, time duration, he explained very nicely how to design PCB. I attended many 3D printing workshops, not as a participant, as a speaker also. But I learned much knowledge from Dr. Vijay Kumar Jetta sir. Very nicely presented. And another thing, this sublimation printing, that is innovative. As our National Steering Committee Chairman sir said, It is not only beautiful, it is a highly informative and emerging technology. And his talk enlightened us in many dimensions. After listening Sir talk, what we concluded that what we learned, what we have knowledge is little, negligible. So then it is, I am very much thankful to you, sir, on behalf of our team. And coming to the co-coordinator, Dubey sir, we disturbed him number of times. He met our calls and replying, and he is taking our pressure with pleasure. That we are very happy. Whenever we asked him, pressurized him, he has taken our pressure with pleasure. So we are very thankful to you, sir. And before coming over here, I asked many doubts with Dr. Prabhas Ranjan, sir. We are from Hyderabad. Corona is birthplace from Pune is the birthplace for Corona. He told me that don't fear of it. You come over here, we will take care of you. Nothing will happen to you. Then we are very happy for his golden words. Whatever he said, he has taken us in well manner, and he developed a confidence in us. So thank you all, and our colleagues will explain the remaining things.
Good evening, dignitaries on the dais, participant colleagues. Today, it's a very pleasure moment for all of us. When we applied in the month of January about Idea Lab, it was only in paper, black and white paper. But when we entered also, there was something in our mind due to online training from Anna Sane sir and Gadre sir and all. And when we entered this hall, it was only that much. Then after completion of this course, of this 6 days rigorous course, it is now, you see here, it is in heart, it is in our mind also now. So, and it is in mouth also. So that is what we can carry from here. So this is the confidence which I have been provided from this Idea Lab training program from DYPIU. On this occasion, I would like to thank Dubey sir and Vijay Kumar Jetty also, who have taken keen interest and lot of pain. I know I have conducted many such programs. What kind of pain needs to be taken, how much planning to be done, all those things have been taken care very meticulously. And another important thing, whatever queries we used to post in the WhatsApp group, our chairman, National Steering Committee chairman, he himself used to give, even if though it is very smallest query, he himself used to give the answer for that. So that is the interest which he has shown in this brainchild of this Idea Lab. It is his brainchild of Idea Lab. And of course, I'm sure on behalf of all the participants, I will promise you, sir, we will take this movement throughout India. And on this occasion, I would like to thank all the faculty members. We will not believe that they have been trained a few days back. They are very professional in manner. It has been trained. And we thought they are working in this machines from past few years. But when we interacted them, they said they have been trained few days back. So that is the beauty of this involvement of this entire team. So on behalf of us, again, I would like to thank you all for providing us good hospitality, good knowledge, and to carry this movement forward. Thank you. Thank you, Nanda.
Respected dignitaries on the dais and off the dais, I am Dr. A.B. Kakade. I am from Rajaram Boppa Institute of Technology. My background is electronics. And I was not aware about applications of 3D printer, and I was also not aware about how to operate the 3D printer. Professor Prabhat Ranjan, he delivered very nice lecture on applications of 3D printers, and it was really interesting. Second one, the session which is delivered by Professor Amrish Dubey, it was also interesting because he talked about design thinking. I attended so many workshops on design thinking, but he delivered it very nicely and very differently. Some of the principles that he shared, I can apply in my product development because I am also engaged in electronic product development. So some of the concepts he explained through his session, those were very, very interesting. And the third session which I liked is the session delivered by Professor Yogesh Kulkarni. He is from Pabal Ashram. So he explained the societal projects very differently, And these are the three takeaways from me for this FDP. Finally, also I would like to appreciate all the support provided by all the resource persons, all the staff members, because they were more enthusiastic to deliver the sessions, and they were very supportive. And finally, we had very good networking. In my team, all the team members were from different states. So he's from Hyderabad, Telangana, he is from Karnataka, another team member is from Chhattisgarh and from Maharashtra. So we have a very good network, and with this network, we can exchange our ideas and we can make IDLab more successful in the days to come. Thank you.